Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: router SSID, admin password, and that too. 4 GHz is active because most extenders prefer it for range. Plug the extender halfway to the dead zone so signal is strong during setup. Once powered, press WPS if available for a one-button link. Make sure the router's WPS is enabled. If you don't have WPS, open the extender's temporary Wi-Fi network and connect from your phone or laptop to begin the web setup wizard. Now you log into the extender's web interface or app using the default IP shown on the sticker. This gives full control. Choose your home router's SSID from the scan list and enter the correct password so the extender can authenticate. Selecting the same SSID is optional, but simplifies roaming. Set security to WPA2 for compatibility and performance, then name the extender SSID if you want distinct networks. Apply changes and allow the device to reboot so it can establish a stable uplink to the router. Finish by testing the newly extended network in the problem area. Connect a device and run a quick speed check to confirm usable throughput. If speeds are low, move the extender a few feet toward or away from the router until you find the best balance between source signal and target coverage. If the extender fails to link, perform a factory reset and repeat web setup. Additionally, switch the router channel to one with less traffic and ensure firmware is up to date to resolve compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.